Hello guys! In today's video, I wanna share what I ate in Philippines today. Today I went to Tagaytay for tour. Also, I met nice Filipino. Let's start. Check it out.
Tagaytay? Thank you. Bye. Hi. 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 Yeah.
Where tayo tayo?
Tagaytay market. How much is it?
30.
30. I will go Tagaytay. The bus fee is 30 peso like that. Hello po. Thank you po. Oh, can you let me know we arrived at Tagaytay market? Thank you. Now I'm really excited because I never tried to go to Tagaytay. This is my first time to go to Tagaytay market. I'm really excited because I always try to go to Silang market, right? But today is different market, so I'm really excited. Hello.
You are Chinese? Korean?
Oh, Korean.
Korean.
Bye bye. Now I'm in Tagaytay. Oh my god, I'm really excited.
Price scale?
Huh?
Where are you going? Price scale?
No. Okay, bye bye. Hello po, what is that? Huh?
Maligaw. Maligaw.
Palitaw is a famous food in Philippines. Can I try this one?
7.
Oh, can I try that? Wow, this is 7 peso. So I wanna try this food. Thank you po, kuya. Thank you. Hello. What is this?
Sugar.
Sugar. Oh, I love it. Wow, sugar. Oh, sugar. Oh, like that. Oh, it's really cool. Oh my god. Wow, thank you. Okay, let's try. Wow,
Maligaw.
burn down. Wow, good. Really masarap. Oh, thank you po, kuya. Thank you po. Bye bye. Wow, really masarap. Hello po. Okay. I wanna. Hello. Oh, I wanna eat Lomi.
You want this dog?
Oh, where can I eat the Lomi? In here. Lomi house. They have a Lomi store.
Yes, restaurant.
It's good.
Yes.
It's not far from here.
Huh?
Not far.
You ride in a jeep, then
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh my god, you're Nakata. I love you. Hello.
hello.
Bye bye. Thank you po. I want to try Lomi in here. You know, it's rainy, but I don't have an umbrella. The best. Here is the best.
Are you vlogging?
Oh. Hi. Bye bye. Here is famous.
Yes.
Lomi is good. Oh, bye bye. Hello. You know, here is really famous in Tagaytay, so that's why I wanna try that. Hello po. It's good. What did you order?
Lomi.
Lomi is good.
Lomi.
I never try Lomi. This is my first time.
You must try it.
Okay, it's good. You know, I search a lot. Here is really famous in here, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Number one, right? number one Lomi in Tagaytay, right? Can I get Lomi?
Yeah, this one overload.
Wow.
This overload is special.
Oh
Yeah.
my god. Wow, it's good. Can I sit here? Yes. Oh, thank you. This is special, right?
Yes.
This is only 60 peso, like that? Masala? Masala? Yeah, masala. Menu? Wow, Lomi special is 60 peso and overall is 80 peso. Can I eat something? What is this?
Tamis anghang.
Wow! It looks like really yummy. This is
Yes.
good?
Yes.
Wow, okay.
It's like Lomi,
Oh, it's like Lomi.
but it's spicy.
Ah, spicy. Okay. Wow. Wow, so good. Thank you po. Thank you po. Hello po.
Kaninang overload?
What is your favorite? Lumpiang gulay. Ah, I love lumpia. Oh, this is my order. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Wow, this is overall. Oh my god, it's really big. Hello po. Wow, this is this is my first time to eat the Lomi in Tagaytay. Wow. Hello.
Hi, Korean. Are you Korean girl?
Yeah,
You're studying here.
yeah. Soy sauce, right?
Soy sauce. Yes.
Oh. How can I?
Squeeze your lemon first.
Ski first? Ski first? Hello.
Squeeze
You
it.
like that?
You like spicy one?
I don't like spicy.
You take out the seed.
Take out.
Take out.
Take out.
Yeah. Then put the soy sauce.
Like that.
Like that.
Lomi. Overall Lomi. Let's try this one. Wow, it looks like really yummy. Oh my god, it's really wow. It looks like jelly. Jelly. Really, really gooey and sticky. Wow. You know, this is really sticky. Oh my god. What is this one?
Charon.
Ah, chacharon? Chacharon?
Yes, charon.
How about this one?
Ball.
Squid ball.
Yes.
Really sticky and wow. This is noodle? Like that. Wow. Wow. Like that, like that, like that. It looks like really hot, right? Wow, it's really delicious. It's really delicious. It's really masala. Oh my god. This is chacharon? But how can I eat with soy sauce?
Yes.
I put the soy sauce in here.
Charon.
Okay, let's put the soy sauce in here. Like that?
No. Lalagay mo din.
Like that, look here. Oh, here?
Yes.
Wow. Before I come here, I search here, and here is really famous in Tagaytay. Also, it's really affordable, really murah, right? Really murah. This is overall, but overall is only 80 peso, like that. If you put the soy sauce, you can eat the more salty. But I love salty. Oh, like that, like that, like that. Hello. Hello, hello. How many times you come here? What is it? Shanghai. Shanghai. Oh my god. But Shanghai is really masala. But little bit soggy than I ate the before. But it's good because I love soggy Shanghai also. This is chacharon. What is this? Oh my god! Wow! On the top, there are ton of toppings, so I think I can finish. I heard that in Batangas is really famous Lomi, right? But in Tagaytay, what is famous? Bulalo. Next time, I will try the bulalo in Tagaytay. Ate.
Yeah.
Masarap. I love you.
Yeah.
mahal kita. Why people really like this one? Maybe this sauce. Sauce is really good. I love like sticky sauce. Inside there are siomai and egg and fish ball and chacharo, all of them in there. So there are so many ingredients in here. This is siomai. Siomai is quality is really good. Wow, it's really yummy. I got it. Why here is really famous in here? Number one, right? Lomi is number one. Yeah. How many times come here?
3 times na tayo.
Really? 3 times?
Delicious.
Wow, really delicious. Lomi is really delicious. It's really big for me. Tagaytay is a little bit far from my place. So if I wanted to get the Lomi, I wanna get here because in my province. Hello. Hi. Come here. Thank you.
It's yummy.
Oh, really yummy. The one thing I really like this one is noodle is really soft and noodle quality is really good. It's a little bit soy sauce flavor, little bit egg flavor they have. Review is finished. Maybe I'm just to look around here. Okay, bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you po.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, where is it? Hello. Hello. What is this?
Yes po, yes.
What is this?
Nutrition man.
Oh, can I look on here?
Yes, food.
Oh,
Fish. Bangus. Yeah,
this is
bangus.
yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy,
Oh,
yummy.
where can I get this?
There.
Oh, okay, thank you. Wow. Hello. What is this? Soup. Oh, can I try this? Oh, what is this?
Halaya. It's jam.
You good?
Yes.
Can I try this? How much is it?
No.
Free?
Free.
Why is free? Is it free also? Wow, can I try it? What is this?
Yes.
This is soup?
Macaroni soup.
Oh, wow. This is yummy. This is macaroni soup. Let's try it. Like that?
It's yummy.
Masala. Wow.
Kasaba.
Okay, let's try it. Hello. Asaba. Ube. Really? I love it.
You want more?
Oh, can I get?
Go down.
Oh, it's Philippine. Oh my god. So many. Oh my god. Wow.
This is yummy.
Yeah. Oh, thank you very much.
Is this enough?
Oh, thank you.
Do you want this?
What is this?
Salad.
Ampalaya.
Ampalaya salad with pineapple. You taste it.
Oh, taste it? Okay. Okay, let's taste it. Pineapple salad like that.
It's yummy.
Masarap. Wow. I love this food. Pineapple.
So sexy.
Looks like really yummy. Oh my god.
You want tilapia? This is tilapia.
Wow, looks like
Tilapia.
tilapia.
Yeah. You want? You taste it.
I can taste it.
Yeah.
Like that.
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Oh, it's like fish, right?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yan.
really naughty. Masarap.
Yeah. It's a Filipino favorite fish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, it's really good. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh my god, is this serious? Is Kuya sell peanut in the bus, right? Wow, it's really surprise for me. Really interested. How much is peanut? Only 20? Oh my god, peanut is only 20 in bus. I think I wanna try that because it's a little bit curious. Can I try it? Oh, try? Oh, thank you. Wow, it's really hot. It's really hot. Okay, peanut is like that. Peanut looks like smell is really good. Oh my god. Wow, smell is really good. Okay, let's try this one. Oh! Wow, really naughty. Masarap. Wow, it's really masarap. And a little bit salty than I expected. Also a little bit oily. I can see the oil inside, but it's good. It's really good. Masarap. Thank you so. Una gave me the pretty tasty, so that's why I tried. Now I'll go home and maybe take a rest. You know, I'm really full because I ate a lot in here. Bye bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.